26.5 by 41. Get that bad boy back.
26.5 by 41.
Yeah.
It's on the video here.
26.5 by 41. Dude, that is a fucking...
Oh my god. That size is huge. Can you see it? He's doing video right now, dude. Yeah. Holy crap.
Cut it and let him run, man.
No.
No.
I want to leave this in him.
Is he stuck in it?
One thumb, one thumb.
Ask Dave if he's got his chart handy.
What's that?
Ask Dave if he's got his chart handy.
It doesn't look too good.
It is...
It's not looking too good there, dude.
Come on, he'll come back.
Yeah, no.
Can you reach over to the tiller handle and put it in neutral?
You want what?
Put the tiller handle into neutral.
No, neutral.
Where the fuck is neutral?
Right in the middle between R and F.
Dude.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.
No worries, man. That's a hatchery fish too, eh?
It's a hatchery fish.
Yeah.
Because it's got its dorsal cut or
It's pectoral.
pectoral, whatever.
Come on, baby. Come on.
It's not looking too good, dude.
He'll be fine, man. He'll go.
That's a big fish, boys.
That's
what we were waiting for.
Dude,
Today.
that's a fucking
This
monster.
is a 40-pound fish. This is a 40-pound fish right here.
His mouth's going, his mouth's going.
Yeah, he's breathing.
Oh, he's breathing.
Yeah, he'll
He's
be
trying to
alright,
take
man.
his breath.
Nice work. Come on, baby.
We've got all that on film.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're filming this right now.
Beautiful.
A small shark in your hand.
Come on, buddy.
He's not waking up. Oh,
There he goes. Come on.
Is that you or is that him?
That's him.
Shake it, baby. Shake it. This has got to be the best part, man. He's going to wake up and just go for a shoot. Yep. Probably freaking tired.
Oh, yeah.
Not.
Nope.
No, it's not.
Fuck no, man.
Come on, buddy.
His mouth's going, but he's just not waking up.
He'll go. He'll
This
take
guy
it.
all day. If I have to.
Yeah. Come on, buddy.
If we do have to keep this, we're done salmon fishing.
Yeah.
What's that?
If we have to keep this, we're done salmon
Yeah.
fishing.
Yeah.
Come on. He's got his skills going.
No, he's not doing anything.
Hold on. Just let him get his thing going. There he goes. Yeah!
Oh!
Dude, look at that!
There it goes. There it goes. It's all right.
Fuck yeah,
Woo!
Took him
Well
back
done.
together,
Well
man.
done. Well done.
Fuck yeah.
Hey, well done. Well, hey.
Dude, he went home, baby.
Wait.
Home,
There you
Fuck
go.
yeah.
That is the biggest fish of the season. For me,
Dude, that was awesome.
What do you say, Jude?
That was the best feeling ever, man.
Yeah.
Just watching him swim away. That was. Thank you.